Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown?
Yes, this is the right stop.
Great. Do you know when the next bus comes?
I think it comes in about 10 minutes.
Oh, thank you. Is it bus number 25?
Yes, bus 25 goes to downtown.
Perfect. That's where I need to go.
Are you going shopping?
Yes, and also to meet a friend.
Nice. I take this bus every day to work.
Is it usually on time?
Most of the time, but sometimes it's late in traffic.
Oh, I see. How much is the fare?
It's $2.50 for one ride.
Do I need exact change?
Yes, or you can use a bus card.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Look, the bus is coming now.
Hello. Do you have time for a haircut today?
Yes, of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I want to cut my hair shorter.
Sure. How short would you like it?
Just above the shoulders, please.
All right. Do you want straight cut or layers?
Layers would be nice.
Okay, I'll do that. Would you like shampoo first?
Yes, please. That would be great.
No problem. Do you also want a blow dry after the cut?
Yes, please. How much will it cost?
A haircut with shampoo and a blow dry is $30.
That's fine. Please go ahead.
All right, let's begin. Please relax.
Thank you. How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes.
Okay. That's perfect.
Great. I'll make sure you look fantastic.
Hi. Welcome to the gym.
Hello. Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Great. What's your fitness goal?
I want to lose weight and get fit.
Perfect. Do you like cardio or weight training?
I think I like cardio.
Okay. Let's start with the treadmill.
Sounds good.
Please walk for 5 minutes to warm up.
All right, I can do that.
After that, we will try some light weights.
Nice, I'm excited.
Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step.
Thank you so much. That helps a lot.
Remember, stay hydrated and enjoy your workout.
I will. Thanks, Coach.
Wow! Look at the lions.
Yes, they are so big.
Are they sleeping now?
No, I think they are just resting.
Oh, one lion is moving.
Yes, it looks very strong.
Do you like lions?
Yes, but I like giraffes more
Really? Why giraffes?
because they are tall and gentle.
Let's go see the giraffes then.
Sure, they are near the trees.
Do you have the zoo map?
Yes, here it is.
Great. The giraffes are next.
I'm excited to see them.
Me too. The zoo is so fun.
Yes, I love visiting the zoo. Hi, what are you selling?
Hello. I have ice cream and cold drinks.
Oh, that sounds perfect for this hot day.
Yes, it's very refreshing. Which one would you like?
I think I'll have a chocolate ice cream, please.
Sure. Do you want it in a cup or cone?
In a cone, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
I'll also take a cold lemonade.
Coming right up. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your ice cream.
Thanks. The beach is so beautiful today.
Yes, the weather is perfect for relaxing here.
Do you come to the beach often?
Yes, I work here every summer.
That's nice. I love the sound of the waves.
Me too. Have a great day at the beach.
Hello, nurse?
Hello. How are you feeling today?
I have pain in my arm.
Oh, I see. When did it start?
Since last night,
Is the pain strong
or mild?
It is mild, but uncomfortable.
Did you take any medicine?
No, not yet.
Okay, I will check your arm.
Thank you.
Please relax. Don't worry.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious.
That's good to hear.
I will give you some medicine.
How many times should I take it?
Twice a day. You will be fine soon.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. The weather looks nice.
Yes, it's sunny today. Yesterday was very cloudy.
True. And it rained a little.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, but I prefer sunny days.
Same here. Sunny days make me happy.
Me too. The sky looks so clear now.
Do you think it will rain later?
Maybe in the evening?
Oh, then I should carry an umbrella.
Good idea. Better to be safe.
What's the temperature today?
Around 25 degrees. Very comfortable.
Perfect weather for a walk.
Yes, let's enjoy it while it lasts.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Just came back from the market.
Oh, I see. Did you buy fresh vegetables?
Yes, the tomatoes looked very fresh today.
That's nice. I love fresh tomatoes.
Do you like gardening?
A little. I grow flowers in my yard.
Wow, your roses look beautiful.
Thank you. Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I have a small mango tree.
That's wonderful. Does it give fruit?
Not yet. Maybe next year.
I hope so. Mangoes are delicious.
Yes, I agree. By the way, the weather is nice today.
Perfect for a walk in the evening.
Yes, let's plan one someday.